Hello everyone, my name is Gagan. Today I am back with one of the video as a part of teacher training program. So today I'm going to show you a program where we will count the number of words in the sentence. So I have written a small program starting from here, taken a variable and initialized with the default string, hard-coded string, and string is programming is fun and challenging. And then in the next line I am calling the print function, and number of words will be displayed using the count words function. So in the count word function, I have passed the sentence, and if we go to the count word function body, then in the first line we have initialized the counter with 1. We are assuming that at least one word will be present in the sentence, and then a small for loop that we have run, and counting the word by word. Basically word can be recognized when we have received the space between two words. So we are counting the number of spaces. So number of spaces itself will be basically is a sign that one word has been passed. So as soon as during the traversal, as soon as we receive the space, we will increment the counter and returning the counter from here. So let's run it again. Let me first clear the terminal, uh, clear logs, and run the program, and you will see the number of words are 5 in this sentence. So let me change the sentence. I will write Stempedia teacher training program is going on. So let me run it again. Let me clear it first and then run it again. And then you see it is showing now the 7 words. So the total 7 words are there in the sentence. Thank you. Hello.